Well, Lexington is still in the middle of an outbreak of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, with the Lexington-Fayette County Health Department now reporting 6 new cases in just the last week. The health department says it's now up to 27 confirmed cases reported since April 26th. They say whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory illness spread by coughing and sneezing. The health department is urging all school-age children to get the pertussis vaccine, and if they are 11 or older, to get the booster for it.